So what if taking a course doesn't work for you? So one of the concerns about taking courses and spending the money on a course is that you've taken the course and you're still confused, you still don't understand what you're doing, it's still not something you've mastered. And after the course is over, that's pretty much it. I've done that. I've taken several courses on different topics, and if after the course is done, I still, haven't mastered the skill, basically I have to look for another course or go searching on the internet for how to figure out something out. And it's really frustrating, and I get that because I've experienced it. And, I want to let you know that, the reason I set out to do this in general is because I want people to learn this skill. So, for me, if you take one of my courses, then I'm going to be available to you after the course is over to ask questions, because that's important to me as a teacher. It's important to me to learn. So I'm going to make every effort after the course is over to provide you ways to reach me, ways to contact me, so that if you have a question, if you have a project that you're working on and you run into a stumbling block, that you can come back and reach out to me, and I can make myself available to help you. And, that's a promise that I make to my students, because it is important to me that you learn how to do this. I'm not doing this because it's all about, getting people to buy my courses. I'm doing this because I want you to learn how to code, because I think it's an important skill, and I want to help the people out there, my fellow designers, how to make websites and how to do a good job, and to teach it comprehensively, not just doing the skills, not just learning how to use the tools, but also all around how to make your websites work well for your customers, doing everything else that has to be done for the website: security, SEO, these other requirements legally for accessibility to serve their customers well. So that's why the course isn't just how to code. The course is also teaching you how to build a website that works, that fits all the standards that are there, and also that is something that a user can find friendly to use for them. So if you take one of my courses, then yes, you'll be able to reach me after the course is over if you have questions. Presented by Designers Learn Code.